Are you going to class but find yourself leaving even more confused? There's one solution to this. Attend classes strategically. We have 3 tips for you to do so. Tip 1. Understand how your course is structured. Understanding the structure of the course before you start studying or reading textbooks is important. Why? Because this course can be either homework, quiz, or exam heavy. For example, Accounting 203 and 303 are exam heavy courses, which means that the test scores are weighted more and have a bigger portion in the final grade than the other components. All information about how each component is weighted is often found on the syllabus. Additionally, professors may either emphasize studying with textbooks or lecture notes. Knowing the focus of the course, how it is structured, and how different assignments are weighted can help you to know which part to focus on and spend more time studying. Tip 2. Attend class on time. Being on time for class is very beneficial for your studying process. During class time, professors go over important concepts that you need to know and will sometimes mention which content to focus on or ignore for the exam. Professors will also mention common mistakes that previous students have made. If you missed a class, remember to reach out to your professors and a class buddy in a timely manner and work extra hard to catch up. Accounting weekly modules often require a lot of time to learn and practice, so procrastination at one point can have a domino effect and affect your studying time. When you are in class, pay attention. Put your phone away and turn it off so notifications don't distract you. Try to sit in the front of the class, which can help you be more focused. Ask yourself questions to test your knowledge and think about the why of the concepts. Use before or after class time to ask professors about any concerns or questions that you have. Tip 3. Find the best study strategies for you. Study strategies do not look the same for everyone. You can always try different techniques and see which strategies are the best for you during accounting courses. Generally, accounting courses require a lot of practice time, and since repetition is key, effective time management should be utilized. Plan out how you want to study before, during, and after a lecture. Additionally, find the best way to take notes that you can review later. Do you prefer taking notes on paper or a laptop? Taking notes before class can help you to retain information that can be clarified during class and reviewed after class. If you need support, Learning Services academic coaches and learning specialists are dedicated to help you find the best study strategies and time management techniques. You can book an appointment with a coach through the Navigate Mason website. No matter which strategy you use, attending class consistently is the key to learning accounting courses. Utilize the free resources available for you, like recitations, lab hours, and tutoring to ask questions and prepare for exams.